One day in the future, as we peer into the sky, we may be looking in the right corner at the right time to see an alien civilization destroy itself. Scarcely more dramatic than the subtle brightening of one of the faintest stars in the black, but representing an energetic explosion from a weapon powerful enough to level an entire world. History tells us that disagreement and discord is a common theme among Earth civilizations, and there's no reason to believe this wouldn't be the case elsewhere in the galaxy. And so, on a warring alien world as on Earth, efforts to prevail over the enemy lead to an arms race. From sharpened points to explosive projectiles, nanomachinery to atomic bombs, the struggle for the most destructive weaponry goes on. But these advanced extraterrestrials are still not satisfied, and soon turn their attention to an even more powerful source of latent energy. With greater technological prowess than humanity, they have learned to produce and isolate particles of antimatter, holding them in a vacuum, suspended by electromagnetic forces until it is time for them to be deployed. But they do not need vast quantities of fuel or any sort of trigger. For the moment that antimatter comes into contact with the normal matter that prevails on their homeworld, the particles will annihilate together, destroying themselves and releasing vast amounts of energy. Just 1 gram of antimatter releases as much energy as a traditional nuclear weapon, with some 90 kilograms of fuel. And as the arms race goes on, the stockpiles grow. Whether it is used in anger, confusion, or simply by accident, the detonation of this antimatter weaponry occurs. Night turns to day in an instant. Scorching winds raze entire cities, destroying both warring factions and all other life on the planet. The entire world is transformed for centuries to come. Such is the devastating possibility of antimatter coming into contact with matter. And yet, we are surrounded by it every day.